What if everything you've heard about Ebonyi State slowing down is completely wrong? What if behind the silence, behind the headlines, a transformation is quietly unfolding? One that could redefine the future of not just Ebonyi State, but the entire Southeast. Because while many are distracted, something is happening. Roads are stretching further, cities are rising higher, industries are taking shape, and a new identity is being built brick by brick. Welcome to Ebonyi State, a place once known as one of the least developed states in Nigeria, now stepping into a bold new chapter. But here's the real question: has development really slowed, or is it evolving into something much bigger? Stay with me, because what you're about to see will shock you. For years, Ebonyi carried a reputation, a state seen as rural, quiet, often overlooked in national conversation about development. And recently, many have started saying the same thing again. Nothing is happening anymore. Development has slowed down. Ebonyi is no longer progressing. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Development is not always loud. Sometimes it doesn't trend. Sometimes it doesn't make headlines. Sometimes it builds silently. Because real transformation is not just about flashy projects. It is about sustainable growth. And that's exactly what's happening in Ebonyi State right now. Let's start with what truly defines development anywhere in the world: infrastructure, roads, bridges, urban planning. And the Ebonyi State is not slowing down. It is expanding strategically. Across the state, road networks continue to evolve. Not just major highways, but rural access roads, connecting villages, farms, and local economies. This is critical because when roads improve, farmers move goods faster, businesses expand, communities become economically active. And Ebonyi is focusing heavily on this foundation. Urban roads in Abakaliki are seeing continuous upgrades. Drainage systems are improving. Flood control measures are being expanded, and new layouts are being introduced, gradually transforming the capital city into a modern urban center. This is not stagnation. This is structured growth. For years, it stood there, silent, unfinished, and forgotten. A towering reminder of abandoned dreams in Abakaliki. The 11-story building, once envisioned as a symbol of progress, became something else entirely. A symbol of stagnation. People passed it daily, shaking their heads, asking the same question: will it ever be completed? But today, that narrative is changing, because what was once abandoned is now being reborn. Construction has resumed. Activity is returning, and slowly, steadily, that empty structure is transforming into something more meaningful again. This is more than just a building. It is a message that Ebonyi is no longer comfortable with unfinished stories, a message that the era of abandoned project is being challenged, and most importantly, a message that nothing is truly lost if there is a political will to revive it. Now this is the kind of project that changes perception instantly. Right in the heart of Abakaliki, a massive transformation is underway. A flyover, a tunnel, an underpass, a complex traffic solution designed not just for today, but for the future. And if completed as planned, this could become one of the most ambitious urban transport projects in Nigeria. Think about what this means: traffic flow improved, urban mobility enhanced, city image elevated. Because infrastructures like this does something powerful. It redefines how a city is seen, no longer just as a quiet capital, but a city preparing for scale, a city anticipating growth, a city building ahead of demand, and that is what makes this project so important. It is not just about reducing traffic, it is about sending a message. Abakaliki is thinking big. If you really want to understand the future of Ebonyi, then you need to look here, the Industrial City, because this is where transformation moves from visible to economic, quietly, strategically. Plans are unfolding to create a hub for manufacturing, processing, and industrial production, a place where raw materials are no longer exported in their basic forms, but transformed into finished products. This is how states grow wealth. This is how jobs are created. This is how economies evolve, and Ebonyi is positioning itself to take that leap. Because imagine this, instead of exporting rice, you export packaged branded products. Instead of raw materials, you export processed materials. That shift alone changes everything. The Industrial City is not just a project, it is a long-term economic strategy, one that could redefine Ebonyi's role in Nigeria's economy. While many are focused on government projects, another transformation is happening quietly: real estate. Across Abakaliki and beyond, new buildings are rising, residential estates are expanding, private developers are moving in. And here is what makes this interesting. Real estate growth is often the clearest signs of confidence, because investors don't build where they don't believe. They build where they see the future. And right now, that future is being projected onto Ebonyi. Land values are gradually shifting, urban layouts are improving, and new class of housings is emerging, from modest homes to modest estates. This is how cities evolve, not just through government projects, but through private belief in the future, and that belief is growing. If you haven't visited Abakaliki recently, then you might not recognize it anymore, because this city is changing fast. New government buildings, modern layouts, improved road networks, but beyond infrastructure, there is a shift in identity. Abakaliki is no longer just a state capital, it is becoming a regional hub. Real estate development is rising, private investments are quietly increasing, residential estates are expanding, and something interesting is happening. Young entrepreneurs are beginning to see Abakaliki as an opportunity, not crowded, not oversaturated, but full of potential. And that is how cities begin to grow, not overnight, but steadily. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Because while many people are focusing only on visible infrastructure, the real transformation in Ebonyi is happening in industry. Ebonyi is positioning itself as a production state, known already for rice production, solid minerals, and agriculture. But now there is a push towards value addition. Instead of just producing raw materials, the state is beginning to focus on processing. Rice mills are expanding, agricultural processing is improving, and this is key, because the future of any state is not just what it produces, but what it processes and sells. This is how economies grow. This is how wealth is created, and Ebonyi is moving in that direction. While others chase trend, Ebonyi stayed consistent. Agriculture has always been its strength, and that strength has not slowed down. If anything, it has become more organized. Large-scale rice production continues to dominate. Local farmers are getting more support. Mechanization is gradually increasing, and the state's reputation as a food basket is becoming stronger. But here is what makes this important. Food security is power, and states that invest in agriculture today will control economic stability tomorrow. Ebonyi understands this, and that's why agriculture is not just continuing, it is evolving. Development is not just about buildings, it is about people. And Ebonyi is investing in its future through education. Schools are being upgraded, institutions are expanding, and there is a growing emphasis on skills and human development. Because infrastructure without human capacity is useless. But when you combine both, you create long-term transformation. And this is another area where Ebonyi is quietly progressing. Healthcare is another silent indicator of development, and here too, changes are happening. Hospitals are being upgraded, access to healthcare is improving, facilities are becoming more functional, and while this may not trend online, it directly impacts the lives of millions. This is real development, the kind that people feel every single day. So why do people think development has slowed down? The answer is simple: perception. In today's world, if it doesn't trend, if it doesn't go viral, if it's not constantly in the news, people assume nothing is happening. But Ebonyi is not chasing attention, it is building quietly, and sometimes quiet progress is the most powerful kind. So here's the truth. Ebonyi State is not slowing down. It is transitioning from rapid visible project to structured sustainable development, from noise to strategy, from perception to reality. And if you take a closer look, you'll realize something shocking. Ebonyi is not behind. It is preparing for the future where agriculture meets industry. Industry supports growth, and cities rise from consistency, not hype. So the next time someone says nothing is happening in Ebonyi, just remember this: the biggest transformations are often the quietest. If this video opened your eyes, then you already know what to do. Like this video, subscribe for more deep documentaries on Nigeria's hidden transformations, and share this because people need to see the truth. What do you think? Has Ebonyi slowed down, or is it just getting started? Drop your thoughts in the comments.